clubs out.
Hey guys.
Gotta love this. Alright guys, round 2 of the day. One of my favorite in Scotland, Kingsbarns. This place is awesome. Wait until you see it. That's all I really have to say, because it's just that good.
Hey, nice to see you again, eh? You well?
You, buddy.
Yeah?
Everything good?
Welcome back to the paradise.
.77. The wind's just off the right. You can kind of see the flag there. It's at the middle. Oh, it's a little closer front actually.
But before the slope?
Like just, I would say. You've still got that left side that feeds you in.
On this left side, everything just kicks in, and my caddy told me you can't be right of this pin, so that was a pretty good one. Oh, great shot.
Thank you. Can't believe I had that shot twice in a week. There was no way for me to get the ball.
Pretty good. Good start.
Right up and down. Thank you.
I wish that was for 3, but that's a couple more than 3.
So we'll hit a little 7, try and knock it down.
Yeah, you want to go probably about 15 feet right of it as well.
15 feet right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Just totally misjudged it. It's a hard game, it's that simple. That was a really hard putt. My poor execution.
Come back,
461 yard par 4 straight into the wind. Both kind of nailed.
He's talented, he's witty, he basically can do things with a golf ball that hardly anyone else in the world can do, and he's fun to be around.
Yeah, great ball.
Thank you. I was trying to show Mac a little creativity right here.
Man, just a bad break. It's just golf. You never know where it's going to bounce.
It's right between those 2 bunkers.
Yeah.
It's just like a ridge that just drops off.
That's incredible.
So you want to go 5 yards right of the pin, that's it.
Same shot. I need like another foot.
Pretty darn cool. Here at Kingsbarns, 9th hole, par 5, 538 yards. I hit a 280-yard drive, but I still had 256 left to a 2-tiered green, and somehow got a nice 3-wood to the upper tier. It looks like I've got about 15-20 feet for eagle to shoot 1 under on the front. That's all I could ask for. What a thrill. I love this place.
Thank you.
Feels good to finish with a birdie.
Course in superb condition.
It is. The greens are good.
Ah, superb.
Day 5, my final day. I think we're doing 36 today. We're here at Dumbarney. Beautiful, beautiful course. It's a new course. It's about 4 years old. We were here when they first opened, but it's in incredible condition now, so we're super excited to play it. Just a gorgeous layout. Let's get on it.
Morning, gents. Welcome to Dumbarney. Gents, before you hit your first tee shots, please have a wee dram of Dumbarney malt whisky to help you on your way.
Cheers.
Oh, that is delicious. What a way to start. 7 a.m. here, folks.
Yes. Boom.
This hole, the 8th hole here at Dumbarney, is one of the most majestic settings in all of Scotland. I mean, it just looks like it's been here forever, and very, very special feeling you get when you stand on this tee. Just makes you want to breathe in the beautiful Scottish air and just enjoy the privilege and incredible opportunity to play at a great course like this. Really enjoying it very much.
This is going to be a long one. 474 into the wind. Par 4.
The
Par
center
4.
bunker on the right.
We're not professionals.
That right bunker's not in play.
Weather's been good, no wind, and this course is super pure. Definitely enjoying it. We're heading to Troon this afternoon. We had to skip a couple holes here, so I definitely want to get back and play the full 18 here because some pretty cool holes.
This was my best drive of the day, right?
340
340.
off the heel.
Yeah, bounced it off the hill.
was a lot of fun.
Pleasure.
Hey, buddy.
Hey,
Fun.
fun. Hey,
Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Troon.
This is it. 5 days. I'm fresh as can be. Just coming off Dumbarney, and we're playing Royal Troon.
Just fresh off.
Close to the open
He
channel.
was fast asleep. That's what he was fresh off of.
We take a little nap.
It's gonna
on
be
the way.
fun. We're gonna have lunch and tear it up. Good to see you in the morning. Thank you. Take care.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Great week.
Thanks. Thanks for setting this
Wow.
up, Ian. This was great.
Looking at Jack McLean, so that's Grandad, so one of the best amateurs in the game, and back in 1932. He's way better looking than me, though. Way better than that. He was the good golfer in the family. They skipped 2 generations after that.
Is that a pretty normal line to take?
I don't know if this is a driver.
Every day.
That's funny. Boy, Mac, I'm glad you're comfortable and the relationship's gotten to that level. I know you were. First comment you said is, I hit that 300. You said, no, you hit it 260. You got 40 yards of roll. Shot Ian. So basically, this is a take your medicine kind of authentic links bunker. Best you can do is hope to get a 58 degree out. Amazing. Only in Scotland when you hit a 30-yard shot and it could be a great shot.
Just teed off 6 at Royal Troon, which is without a doubt the crown jewel on the west coast of Scotland. But it's such a great area, such a strong area for links golf. This area for our clients, not only we got Royal Troon, but we've got Prestwick, we've got Western Gales, and just down the road we have the Ayrshire course at Timbury. So if we can have you here for 3 or 4 days, this is just a wonderful part of Scotland for you to explore. Many of you will probably never get the chance, but you've got the Isle of Arran in the background. If we could ever get you over there to play the likes of Shiskin, it's miniature Scotland over there.
Thanks. Oh, roll. A bird? Yes, a bird.
There you go.
Oh! I saw your ankle breaking the way you were doing
That
that.
was a great catch, to be honest. You caught yourself lovely.
That's fantastic. You got a 20-footer for par. Knock it in.
So this is now coming up to the postage stamp.
Shortest hole in Open Championship golf. It can either kill you or cure you, break you or not, whatever. Just stay out the bunkers, that's all we tell them. Because the bunkers just mess you up.
Go pin hunting? Is that the advice you'd give me in a major championship here? Well, 123 yards, I'm right in between a super hard gap wedge and a smooth pitching wedge. I'm the kind of golfer who likes to hit a shot harder, not softer, so this is a tough shot for me. But I'm gonna give it my best shot and try to just drive through it, choking down, and hopefully catch somewhere this green, because anywhere off this green is no good. Oh, that could be in the coffin bunker. Oh my goodness. Oh, as they say, that is absolutely death. Yes! You're in there with me, buddy!
I'm not giving you a high five for that.
I'm trying to like just cut a little driver in there.
Have you seen this club on this hole before?
I've never seen anybody hit driver.
It's not meant to be. I think it's doable. I think it's that way. Oh! Way to go, buddy.
That is so good.
That was fantastic hand action.
That was a good one.
We've come to the 11th at Royal Troon, without question one of the most visually intimidating holes that you can find anywhere in Scotland. There's gorse that runs all the way down the left side of the fairway. If you pull it just a few yards, you basically are in the gorse, which you have no chance of even finding it, let alone trying to get out your routine. And on the right, as you can see, perfect timing, you have train tracks and out of bounds. So when there's a 20-mile-an-hour wind blowing right here, today we caught up on a particularly mild day. Let me tell you something, it's one of the most intimidating, tough drives you'll find anywhere in the world. And it feels like there's nowhere to hit your drive. If it's into the wind or a crosswind, and you have side spin on the ball, it can, you'll be lucky to find it.
Coming off the sea, blowing everything towards the railway.
Last swing, and I'm glad because I had a nice stretch of holes coming in here, and I want to end with a par. So let's see what we can do. Okay. Hey,
Great trip, man.
great trip, man. Great trip. Yeah.
Always great. Really. Great trip, okay? All right, guys, that's a wrap. Just finished 9 holes at Royal Troon. Such a good week with the Hidden Links golf tour guys. Definitely want to do another one with these guys. It was just every golf course that was on my bucket list we pretty much checked off. It was so easy and just an unforgettable week. So hopefully do it again soon.